Hold up, YouTube. I'm in a spot right now, y'all. Hey, I'm in a spot right now. This joint crazy, but we chilling though. You know what I'm saying? Because we gotta watch out for people walking and all that. I know YouTube, people be going crazy, you know, and I be seeing clips of people on Instagram. We be going crazy in traffic, but we gotta be safe at the end of the day. You know what I mean? I gotta turn. We love our cars, but it doesn't hurt to do a little song. But I'm trying to lean back for y'all so y'all can see. Had the windows down and all that. This is OC. Oh no, I'm in a movie right now. Hopefully there's no popo. We should be alright though. We just enjoying our little exhaust. We just a little loud. We cruising. You could have went. But look at the Honda in front of me. Look at this stand-style Honda in front of me, bruh. Bruh, I need to get my RS6 right. You know what I'm saying? We cruising, another 5-0. C7, we pointing out all the way today. I swear I love this car, y'all. I hope y'all enjoying this exhaust as much as I am right now. I don't even have traction control off. This going crazy, y'all. Bro, I need some water. We underground racing in real life, but we're not racing. We're just in a race car. You know what I'm saying? We're underground race car driver. You know what I'm saying? A race car driver doesn't mean I'm a racer. You know what I'm saying? I'm just in a fast car. You know what I mean? I'm in a cool car. bro. Oh, hell no. They're trying to sell me. That's why we're going a weird ass way, bro. Hold up, we going the wrong fucking way, that's why. But hey, that was still lit though. You know what I'm saying? That shit was still lit though, you can't even lie. I turned into that little like place with all the lights. I need to go to the actual city, bro. I need to go to the actual city, man. Nobody wants to smoke right now though. I'm in a movie. That's how I'm feeling right now, bro. I'm in a movie. That's how I feel right now. And guys, this is how you preserve gas. Letting go of the gas. You know what I'm saying? Just by rolling. I don't know if I'm gonna cut up. I wanna race somebody. Oh, we got a little time. Trying to get on the highway with it. Nighttime POV drive. "45-minute drive, who? 45-minute drive, who? 45-minute drive, who?" Look at the Tesla. Y'all know what I say about Teslas. God, we gotta open it up, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody on the highway for real. Hear that shift? Doing top speed runs right now. We not even like really like redlining for real. We really just cooling, just enjoying. Oh, what do I see right there? Screaming, boys. Oh, I gotta take this exit. Oh, I see a Beamer. Oh, that's a cop. Oh, God. I'm staying behind that cop. Oh, God. And it's too much traffic, bro. I had my little fun. You know what I'm saying? I had my fun. Hold on, though. Well, I'm going next to this cop. I'm just traveling. Is that a cop right there? Nah. Well, he going crazy, though. I hope that wasn't a cop the whole time. This whole time that was not a cop. What's up with this charger? He on cut. Dang, that joint fucked. I should go to the harbor, should I? Man, I just put gas in this car, bro. We already cut something out, bro. That's so weird. Man, people are out on 10 a.m. though. Bro, the police are pulling up, bro. They going crazy. I thought I was done for. I'm not gonna lie. Well, I ain't doing shit. Look, they speeding. You might as well just turn on your light. Look, they cutting up. Look, he not even putting on his blinker. They going crazy. They going crazy. They going crazy. Why can't I go crazy? Because the law enforcement? Because it's unsafe for us, right? Because they have special training. It's all good. Like, why do they get an exception? You know what I'm saying? I know when to chill. I know when to stop. Like, you know what I'm saying? Beamer trying to go stupid. I'm right here. Out of there. Look about going stupid. Are you lucky? Damn. Goodbye, Beamer. I should still cut over them. But this is my exit, bro. I gotta take my exit. And I'm not fucking with those cops either.